Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing essentials, passport and boarding pass, because staff or kiosks may ask for ID during registration. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and choose the airport network named Istanbul Airport Free or your airline's SSID. That choice tells the system where to send you. Open your browser right away to force the captive portal to appear, and make sure your device clock is accurate, since authentication certificates rely on time. This short sequence gets the process started quickly and avoids repeated. Once the captive portal loads, follow the on-screen steps. Pick a language, read and accept terms, then choose free access or a paid plan if you need extra speed or time. You will authenticate using SMS, email, or social login. Paid options ask for card details or an app checkout. Make sure to note session length, speed limits, and data allowance so you plan downloads accordingly. If asked, permit pop-ups. Some confirmations appear as new windows. Then test a web page to confirm connectivity. To finish, load a secure site to confirm the session is active. If the portal times out, switch briefly to cellular and retry the captive page. If pages won't load, restart Wi-Fi, forget the network and rejoin or clear browser cache. These force a fresh portal. Also try an alternate browser or private window. If problems persist, approach the airport Wi-Fi help desk or use airline lounge Wi-Fi if you have access. That single troubleshooting sequence resolves most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.